Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook chicken rendang. I'm cooking it today just for the purpose of we're going to have it for lunch tomorrow. Rendang is best to cook a day in advance. So by the time you keep it for tomorrow and all the ingredients will goes into the chicken and make it very nice. First I'm going to go ahead and marinate the chicken, and we're going to fry the chicken first. Then we can come and take a look at what are the other ingredients for the curry paste that we are going to make. So I have salt here. I'm going to just marinate the chicken with salt. Alright, I have the hot oil here. We're going to fry the chicken just about half cooked to seal the edges of the chicken before we put it in the rendang curry. So I'm going to put it in. Just going to leave it here for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, the chicken is half cooked now. I'm going to take it out from the pot. Alright, these are the ingredients that we're going to blend to make curry paste. So I have about 1 cup of dry chili. This is a small type of chili, and another 1 cup of the big piece of chili. For this chili, they are not spicy, but they just give a very nice red color. And this is about 10 pieces. About 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 8 to 9 pieces of shallots. So I have about 5 small pieces of red onions, 1 stalk of galangal. This is from my garden. 3 stalks of lemongrass, 1 nut of ginger, 6 pieces of candle nuts, and this is about thumb size of the turmeric, the fresh turmeric, but this is not enough, so I'm going to be putting a bit more of the turmeric powder. So we're going to put everything in the blender and then we're going to blend it. But before putting in the blender all these big pieces of the ingredients, you may want to cut it into smaller pieces and then put it in the blender. This is the curry paste that I have just blended. So the curry paste is ready. In the same pan, I have removed the oil and keep some. And I'm going to switch on the heat, and we're going to fry the curry paste. We're going to continue to fry until it's almost dry up, and then all the ingredients release the nice aroma. This part is a bit crucial, so you just need to stay on and keep on stirring, or else it will splash a lot. I'm going to continue to do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm just going to put in about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, because just now the turmeric, little bit of turmeric is not enough. Alright, this is the consistency that we want. You see, it's getting dry and the curry paste has released a little bit of oil. And meanwhile, we can take a look at what are the ingredients. So I have here is the kirase. You can take a look at how to make kirase from the other video. This is 3 tablespoons of kirase, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. These are the chicken. some water, coconut milk, kaffir lime leaves, red onion, kalanga, and lemongrass. This is a turmeric leaf. Put in just a little bit of water. Just a bit more water. You don't want to put too much water. You just want to put it little by little, because for this rendang I want to make it as dry as possible. Now I'm putting in the kerisik, the grated coconut, salt, sugar, once we put in the roasted coconut, the aroma of this curry paste is really very nice. And now I'm going to put in all this kaffir lime leaves, kalanga, lemongrass, red onions, and going to put in a little bit of water. And for the turmeric leaf, I'm just going to put the whole leaf inside. One more, just put inside. Look at that. Oh, it looks so yummy. When it's getting slightly dry, I'm just keep adding a little water at the time. Now I'm going to add in 1 box of coconut milk. Add in some more water. Now we're going to put in the chicken. Just give it a stir. Make sure that curry is covered the meat all up. Alright, then I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook in the low heat for 45 minutes. From time to time, need to come back and take a look and stir. Make sure that it doesn't burn at the bottom. If the curry is too thick or it's getting burned at the bottom, you can add in the water a bit by bit. Alright, 3 more minutes to go. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. From time to time I came back and give it a stir, but I did not add any water because we want to make it as dry as possible. Don't want too much gravy. So now I can taste it. Wow, it is so delicious. It's enough taste, enough salt, enough flavor. This is really good. So I'm just gonna let the time go off by itself, 2 more minutes. Just before finishing, I'm going to just throw in a few more leaves of the kaffir lime leaves for a nice aroma. Cover the lid. just gonna take a little bit of the meat here. Look at that. I need a bit of gravy. Rendang is best to eat with rice. Wow, so delicious. The chicken is crispy from the outside and inside is very soft, very tender, and the gravy is very rich and creamy. Very nice aroma of the roasted coconut, and the spicy level is just right. Overall, this is my best rendang ever. Lovely, really delicious. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.